So we're installing our EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X with the Smart Home Panel 3, and that installation is happening right now. And I realized it's getting dark, and yes, I'm wearing sunglasses, but we need power. So when I try to turn this on, it doesn't turn on because this is not the battery. These are the batteries. So you have to connect the batteries to the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X. Now there's two ways to set up the battery. So you can see right here, if you want to use option 1 for higher power output, you have two cables. This one cable connect to one battery, and a short cable connect to this other battery. Or you can do the option 2 and you can have a more clean installation. You have two short cables. This cable connects to one battery, and then you daisy chain this battery with this battery. So that way it's cleaner, but you get less power. With this method here, you have more power, current draw at the same time. So we're gonna do this setup right here, and you have enough for everything. So each battery comes with one of these. So I do have two of these. So for a simpler installation, I can just connect this like this, and I can connect this like this, and that will work too. But if I want more higher power, I'm going to just connect these two, leave this cable out, and use this one that came with the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X, connect this one to this one, and then we'll be able to power this up, power the lights, and power our refrigerator, because this installation is taking a little bit longer than I thought. So we need to power our refrigerator because we just got a lot of food and the refrigerator is getting warm. Okay, so first and foremost, let's connect this to this right here. So when you open these doors, you can slide it back in there. Really nice. I love that design. Same thing with this one over here. Slide that in there, and then connect these two together. And there's supposed to be a nice locking mechanism. So you push this in right there, and you can see it goes in and it latches in nicely. This one latches in. And there's actually a place for you to turn the screw here to lock it. I don't have the tool right now, but I can lock it later. But that's a really nice feature, so it doesn't come out. And this battery port here, we're gonna use this longer cable, connect this one from this port right here, and push this one in all the way. Is it the right way? No, maybe it's this other port right here, this other cable over here. Yep, there we go. And then this one will go down to here. Let me see, which way will it go? Probably gonna have to go this way and then go back up. I don't know, maybe it's gonna have to go like this. That's kind of messy. Let's see. I think it will. So this part of the cable is a little bit messy because we only have two batteries. So I'll just let it sit right here to the side a little bit, and then I'll push this one up. Yeah, it's gonna touch the ground a little bit. I don't like this part so much here. Yeah, I can see how it touches the ground. I mean, it's okay, but it's not the best solution. Yeah, I think, oh, we can kind of bend this a little bit like that. That's fine, that's fine. I'm okay with that. Yeah, that's fine. And then if I realize I don't need a lot of power draw, we'll just make it clean and do a daisy chain here. Yeah, so either way, for now, let's just do the daisy chain because we're gonna push this around and we don't need this one right now. So that gives us the flexibility of doing the daisy chain method for a cleaner installation. So connect this one here and connect this one here. Look how nice that looks right there. All right, so we'll do that for now. Look at this. So we're powered up. It says we have 29% power. I expected more, but I guess they ship with low power to make sure that you don't degrade the battery. All right, we got 29%. That's still a lot of power. So we were powering our lights with these. This one is the EcoFlow River 3 Plus. We got the EcoFlow Delta 3 Plus, EcoFlow Delta 3 Classic here. They're all drained now. There's no more power. So let's connect this AC outlet right here with our lights and connect it directly here. Let me see if I have enough cable length. We should have plenty of cable length right now. And because the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X is on wheels, I can roll it over here and literally I can open this. Does this door slide in? Oh, this door doesn't slide in, but it's fine. And I connected here, and now we got power. So let's see AC power output. Do we have AC? Is it, oh, we got it. So this is now powering our garage, but soon, once we finish with that, it will install and connect to the EcoFlow Smart Home Panel 3 and power our entire house. And by the way, look what's happening over here. He's cutting the drywall, so it's going to be a very, very beautiful installation. So you see how the wall right here has the wood frame? we're gonna be able to put the drywall all around it, just like the original installation, but that was 20 years ago. This one's gonna look so, so good. Anyway, very excited. Installation is coming along very good. EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X with the Smart Home Panel 3 is going to be amazing.